Welcome back to Quiz Ding Dong. Today's quiz is all about animal silhouettes. Can you guess the animal from its shape? Let's find out. Let's start the easy level. Guess the animal. Here's the first one. That's right, it's an elephant. Next up, guess the animal. Yep, that's a crocodile. Here comes the third silhouette. That's a tall one, giraffe. Fluffy and feathery, what do you think? Yes, it's a duck. Slithering in next, guess the animal. You got it, it's a snake. Here's one that gallops. That's a horse. Get ready, guess the animal. That's the king of the jungle, lion. Here comes a farm favorite. Correct, it's a cow. Moving slow and steady, who is it? That's right, it's a turtle. Last one for this round. Tentacles and all, it's an octopus. Nice work! Let's move on to the medium level. Guess the animal. Here's the first one. Look at that tail. That's a peacock. Up next, this one's big and furry. It's a bear. This one's a sea creature. Guess the animal. That's a starfish. Let's try the next one. Feathery and familiar. Correct, it's a chicken. Here's a chilly fellow. That's a penguin. Jump into the water. Guess the animal. Yes, it's a dolphin. Next silhouette coming in. That's a camel. This one's tiny and slow. You guessed it, it's a snail. Wings and patterns, guess the animal. It's a butterfly. Last one for medium level. Hop to it, it's a frog. Doing great. Ready for the advanced level? Let's go. Tiny but mighty, guess the animal. That's an ant. Next one, watch out for the horn. It's a rhinoceros. This one's got antlers. Correct, it's a deer. Get ready to jump. Guess the animal. That's a kangaroo. Long ears and fluffy. What is it? That's a rabbit. This one's from the sea. You got it. It's a lobster. Lots of tentacles. Guess the animal. That's a jellyfish. Man's best friend, easy one. It's a dog. Snappy claws. Guess the animal. Yep, it's a crab. Guess the animal. Colorful and loud, it's a parrot. Nice going! It's time for the hard level. Let's test those skills. Here's a giant from the ocean. That's a whale. Small and quick, guess the animal. It's a squirrel. This one's got horns. Who is it? Correct, it's a goat. Guess the animal. Hanging upside down, it's a bat. Big bird alert! That's an ostrich. Massive and muddy. Guess the animal. Yes, it's a hippopotamus. Wise and watchful. Who is it? That's an owl. This one howls at the moon. Right, it's a wolf. Flying high, guess the animal. You got it, it's an eagle. Last one for hard level, spiky and cute. It's a hedgehog. You made it. Welcome to the expert level. These will be tough. Let's go. First up, smart and playful. It's a chimpanzee. This one loves eucalyptus. Correct, it's a koala. Here's a gobbler. Guess the animal. That's a turkey. Large antlers. Who is it? That's a moose. Creepy crawler alert. Yep, it's a scorpion. Tiny and fluffy. Guess the animal. It's a hamster. Here comes a stubborn one. That's a donkey. Fast and fierce. What's this? It's a hyena. Big and strong. Guess the animal. Yes, it's a gorilla. Final one. This one's armored. Boom! It's an armadillo. Great job, animal experts. That's it for today's Guess the Animal. Got them all right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.